What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. As we speak, guys, we're killing AUDCHF and KDJPY, and all these trade, guys, I took them with my team. So let me show you guys how I was able to find these trades. Let me show you the trick. You know what I said? This is very deep secret, guys. You don't want to miss this. Make sure you watch the full video. So let's go. So guys, as you can see here, we're killing KDJPY, you know, I say KDJPY and AUDCHF. So let me show you first how I was able to find the KDJPY, just in a very simple step. You know, I say very simple steps, guys. As you can see here, in the first press, the market has been shooting down. We got lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You feel what I'm saying? But you can see here, we had a small zone from here to here. You know what I'm saying? And after that, the market gave us high high and high low. You know what I'm saying? High high, high low to the zone. You know what I'm saying? To the zone. High high. You know what I'm saying? High low. All right. To the zone. High low. And then after high low, we're expecting the market to continue respecting the trend line, this one right here. You know what I'm saying? But the market couldn't respect this trend line right here. What the market did is it just broke out the trend line. And then after the market broke out the trend line, I was like, cool. This is cool, because when I see something like this, then what I know is I'm just gonna be waiting for the market to come back to the trend line. And then the market came back to the trend line, you know what I'm saying? Gave me the continuation, but I couldn't enter here because I had a zone right here. I want to see the market breaking out the zone. And then the market came back to the zone. And then once the market started going up, I entered my trade right here. So I give the signal to my team, you know what I'm saying? I give the signal to my team at this point. We entered, and now we already killed something about how many pips. Let me check how many pips is this one. We already killed something about 200 pips, guys. As you can see here, so something about 200 pips here. Let me zoom in. Something about 200 pips. So this is how I was able to find this trade right here. So the take profit, guys, this one right here, this was my take profit one. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, this one right here was my take profit one. My second take profit was this one right here. So for the people who used to always asking like, yo, how do you add more position to the trade? This is how you add more position to the trade. After you hit the first take profit, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna wait for the market to break the first take profit. You know what I'm saying? Once the market give you the pullback here, this is where you're going to add your second trades right here after the pullback. Then you're gonna add the second take profit. The second trade, and you're gonna go with it until to the second take profit. So let me show you guys how I was able to find this one right here. Let me show you how I was able to find this. Let me show you how I was able to find AUDCHF. As you can see, AUDCHF is running as well, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you how I was able to find that one as well, you know what I'm saying? So AUDCHF, this is how I find it. As you can see, guys, it's very easy, you know what I'm saying? When you understand the market structure, everything's simple. You don't have to do many things on the charts, you know what I'm saying? Because you can even trade without doing any analysis once you already know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? That's why I always, guys, recommend you to chase the knowledge, you know what I'm saying? You can see that the chart is very clean, guys. You can see that the chart is very clean. So this is the trick which I don't hide from nobody, you know what I'm saying? But make sure give the thumbs up, like the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel if you're new. So let's go. Let me show you the trick, all right? you can see that here we had a zone right here. You know, say the market has been at this point. After that, the market came back to this point. You can see after I saw these 2 points and then I connected as a zone. So which means I've been waiting for the 30 touch, to the zone, then my zone is going to be complete. So as soon as I was waiting for the 30 touch right here, the 30 touch, bro, it couldn't happen. You know what I'm saying? The market just decided to break the zone. And as soon as the market break the zone, this is the meaning of that the market is going to perform on downtrend. And you can see after the market breaking the zone, just came back to the to give some retest right here. After the retest, broke the zone, you know what I'm saying, and give the pullback the zone and continue. And the reason why I took this trade is this: you can see that the market did come back again to the zone, to the same zone, which this is the strong zone, right? The market is always supposed to come back here by the zone. So after the market, I saw like the market is already come back to the zone. I knew that we're going to form on downtrend, you know what I'm saying? And as you can see, why I took my trade after I got my my confirmation candlesticks right here, you know what I'm saying? This is why I got in. I sent the signal to my team, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not in the team, make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. Join the free Telegram group, then you will be able to join the team from there, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I got this one right here, and now I expect I expected to carry this market all the way to this point right here. Very easy, guys, no complicated thing, you know what I'm saying? Everything, guys, I keep it simple just for you guys to understand, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to confuse nobody, you know what I'm saying? I want to make sure, guys, you understand everything. It's just simple, guys, very simple, you know what I'm saying? Very simple, guys. Look, it's very simple. You have your first start today, your first you see you have this first one. After second one, you connect the trend line all the way to this point over here. As soon as the market is gonna come back at the same trend line, then you're gonna enter. You see, you enter here, you made money. You entered here, you made money. So it's very easy, guys. Trend line strategy is very easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you do the right things and leave the comment below, guys. If you guys like this explanation, please leave the comment below. Let me know if you guys like this type of content. I can do more for you guys like this, you know what I say, because I want you guys to understand how things works in very simple steps. So that's how I was able, guys, to kill these markets, and I'm still killing them, you know what I'm saying, with my team. So do the right things. Peace out, guys. See you on the next one.